Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to download and install Microsoft Office for free in 2021. Yes, Office 365 consists of the Office suite Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Publisher and Access. We can install for free in 2021 from your laptop or desktop to get all the services. Yes, in this video I would like to share how to download and install Microsoft Office for free in 2021. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe Havek's channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, from your laptop, just open Chrome browser and search Microsoft Play Store. Once I search Microsoft Play Store, automatically it will direct to Microsoft.com Windows application Microsoft Store. So because all the apps will be stored in this kind of application link. So I have given the description link. Just to click the link, automatically you will get this kind of link. Yes, so this is a Microsoft.com Stores Apps Windows. Yes, here you will find an option called Home 365 Windows and you will find a search box here. Search in Microsoft.com. Just hit the button and search Office and press enter. So while I search Office, there will be a lot of options will be open there, and just to select the departments where the department avatar items or apps or games or hardware gaming or software. Just to click apps because we are going to install Office application, that is apps. Once I click apps, automatically just slow down and scroll down. Once you scroll down, automatically you will have a different kind of Word, Excel, PowerPoint which has the rate, the Indian rate, and the rate will be displayed over here. And just to scroll down, you will find an option called Office. There will be a Office free. Yes, so this is Office free. This I would like to install from my laptop or desktop. Just to hit the button Office free. So once I click Office free, automatically the Office Microsoft Corporation, that is Office application, will be free for me. So you need to have your system requirements. So what is the system requirements for a Windows 10 version is suitable for Office 365, that is Microsoft Office free version. So there is no other than that. Only you need to have your Windows 10 so that we can able to install this application and we can use all the Microsoft suite services. Yes, here you will find an option called Get. So just hit the button Get. Automatically it will ask you whether you want to open Microsoft Store or you can continue with this website itself. Just to click Open Microsoft Store because you have installed Windows 10 means automatically Microsoft Store will be there in your laptop or desktop. So no worry about the things. Just click Open Microsoft Store. This is a Google Play Store. Similarly, Microsoft Store also has. So once I click here, there will be this product is installed. I already installed Microsoft Office, so that my option is coming here. Once I click the three dots, automatically install on my device will become. Just to hit the button, automatically it will direct you to the Microsoft sign in option. So if you have your Microsoft account, means we can able to use and install your application free installation. Yes, so how to create Microsoft Office account or Microsoft account? This is a free account. We can able to create and install your application. This is a free account. With your Gmail account, we can create your Microsoft account. If you don't have your account, just click the description link. I have given the description link. 2 or 3 steps you can create your own Microsoft account. So that is an easy format. So I just want to download my application. Yeah, so I have the Microsoft account, same account only. I have shown the demo video. Just to click the link and you will find how to create. Yes, once I click next, the password they will ask, account everywhere on your devices. Once I click verification is done, means automatically my application, that is my Office application, will be installed over there. Once I click launch, automatically Microsoft Office will be launched over there. This is my Microsoft account. So if you didn't install your Microsoft accounts, it will ask for the current plan or install the application, like that it will ask you. Once I install that, automatically it will be displayed in your system. Yes, so Microsoft Office free for Office Web, 5 GB usage you can use for the online storage purpose. I don't want any premium, I want to use free one. Just close this button automatically. Office account has a different kind of application. So do you want to pin this Office task? If you want, means give yes, otherwise give no. Yeah, so this is the Office account. So you have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and OneDrive, OneNote as well to do the list of this. Everything will be there, family safety, everything will be there. You can use according to your needs. So once I click Word, automatically the Word application will be open here, because so here I will download and I have signed in with my account, so that this account there will be a free fare, so you can use Microsoft Office free for your laptop or desktop. Just click blank documents, the Word file, the Microsoft Office file will be open here. So automatically I can able to give my online editing, everything I can do it for the Word, Excel or PowerPoint, whatever software, automatically it will be installed in your drive and devices. So that this is a Microsoft icon, so that Office icon I have installed, I can give Excel, PowerPoint. These are whatever I did in the Excel and PowerPoint, everything will be displayed over there. So you can use according to your needs with a freeware. So this is an easy step. You can create your own account and without any other purchasing of the software, you can use Microsoft Office for the free version. This 2021 Microsoft Office given for the free version for all the softwares. So using this option, you can have your all the official document as well as Excel database as well as your presentation made by free one. So this video will help you to create your account as well as create your Microsoft Office install on your laptop as well as the desktop. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.